Our Chamber of Commerce changemaker today is Jesse Cox with Access Garage Doors. Good seeing you, Jesse.
Hey, great being here.
Okay, Access Doors. We've seen you on TV. I walked into the green room where we meet all the guests before the show. I'm like, I've seen you, but I see you on TV all the time, especially during Wheel of Fortune.
Oh yeah.
All right, so in Jeopardy. Okay, so how long have you guys been around? You've been around for a while.
13 years.
13 years.
I started when I was 22.
Okay.
Yeah.
There is a difference. When we're searching and we're wanting to have the professionals put in our garage door units, it's important to get somebody that knows what they're doing.
Absolutely. We see ourselves, something I constantly say is to all of our staff of 15 employees, is see yourself as a professional, because that's what we are. We're professional garage door service and repair people, but also installers, even down to our office staff. So
you guys are gold sponsors of this year's Tri-State Home Show, with the Home Builders Association.
That's what we're mainly here to talk about today, is this up and coming home show. We love this time of year. We go big. We have 10 booths down there. Very worth our while to be a part of this show and to be a part of it on the level that we're at. We've been a top tier sponsor for 8 years, and we believe in it. We believe that the Home Builders Association does just a phenomenal job at organizing this for the Chattanooga community.
So the home show is going to be March 2nd through the 4th. And we want to encourage everybody, if they're in the market for a garage door, to come see you guys. What are some of the questions that folks ask you guys at the home show?
Well, they'll talk about how their garage door is so loud, and they would love to have a system. We sit there and operate a garage door just constantly. We wear a garage door opener out if it was any lesser quality. But it basically, they're asking about how can they make their door quieter. We will consult with them and tell them how they can do that without spending bukus of money.
Man, I tell you, my garage door, every time you'll be at the house and somebody will be coming through and it'll rattle the windows.
Absolutely. And we've got little tricks that we share with people, and that's the beauty in the home show is you can go down there, and honestly, there's probably going to be 3-4 garage door companies. There's going to be 3 or 4 of everything. But even if you're not in the market for something right now for your home, you're going to need something within the next year. And this show only comes around once a year for Chattanooga community. So go down there, get educated on the products and the services that are out there for your home right now, because you're eventually going to need that stuff.
And there's over 500 vendors that's going to be there?
Over 450 and exhibitors, and anticipating the usual 13,000 attendees, which is huge. This show's big. A lot of people come for the first time, my friends and family, and they're like, wow, I never realized just how big the home industry is around here.
Yeah, it's big. It's big. Good seeing you. We'll see you on TV.
Thank you.
Appreciate your business. For more information, Access Garage Doors, 7335 Hickson Pike, Hickson, Tennessee, 842-5257, accessdoorcompany.com for more info. And for more information about the Chattanooga Chamber of Commerce, 423-756-2121, chattanooga chamber.com.